Uh, Man, this place is pretty banged up. Huh. Hmm. Hmm? Huh.
Come on, you gotta agree with me on this. Look at what we
Yep.
did.
Hello?
We. What the?
Hi.
Oh.
And whether there's anyone left here in this city,
Looky
who are you two?
Looky who we got here.
Hmm?
You have a
Yeah.
lot of nerves showing your face here again.
Again? I just got here. Who are you?
What? You. Dang, I guess he has a bad memory. I'm Surge. Surge the Tenrec. You should know this by now, Sonic.
Okay, two things. One, this is the first time we've met, so of course I'm not gonna really know who either of you are. And two,
First time?
yes, first time. And two, I am Sonic, but I go by Neo.
Neo. Oh, okay, you guessed. Stupid code names. We both know you're Sonic.
Uh-huh. You
Why
talk
in
about
the-
stupid code names.
Now, why in the world are you here?
Okay.
Here,
Once
here,
again,
to do,
what?
here to do your stupid hero stick?
I guess so, considering that it seems like you guys were the ones who destroyed this. I overheard you guys talking about wrecking this whole place, so gotta do what I need to do.
He wants to be the hero. Okay. Fine. If it's a round 2 you want, it's a round 2 you're gonna get.
Okay, again, first time meeting you, so technically this is round 1.
Oh, shut up!
Whoa! Too slow. Whoa!
Come on, let's get him, Gemerl.
Ooh. Okay, that's definitely scary. Kid would work. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Still as fast.
His claws are in for sure now.
Where the heck did he go? Water speed!
Hello. Whoa. Okay, that's definitely a problem.
You're the problem. last I checked, you were the reason we're here in the first place.
Again, first time meeting. And besides,
You
since when does Sonic use a hammer?
You are still an idiot.
A moron. Use your head. Since when do you see Sonic use a hammer?
Well, Stalin didn't tell us that, but you could have gotten it from somewhere.
Ugh, I'm losing brain cells with this.
Oh crap! Brace yourself! Come on. Let's do this.
Oh, too slow.
Come on.
Still too slow. Oh. Wow, you're pretty slow.
Come on, kid, get him! Come on. If you're really not a hedgehog, then
Just
why
shut
I did
up.
not.
Again, since when do you see a Sonic be able to do that?
Well, habits, but
Uh-huh.
you keep trying to hit me. How about you? I keep trying to hit you. How about you try to hit me? Come on. No!
You really need to stop talking. You talk too much.
You're the one to talk.
I'm really not even talking that much. Also, too slow.
Aw. Who's too slow now?
Yeah, it's still you.
Come on. You gonna hit me? Good job, Dippy. Now come on. Are you gonna fight? Or are you too much of a coward?
Not really. Before we do, it's a little bit too dangerous. Especially with her using that electricity. I think we need to go check it now. Have to get him out of here.
You keep doing this, huh? Keep making every single mistake, keeping us in this stupid little cycle. But you know what? I'm done. Right here, right now. I am taking you out! Die already! Come on!
You need to calm down. Surge, was it?
So what of it?
If you keep losing control like that, you're not going to be able to return back to the way you were. Letting all that rage will definitely not help you. And besides, he's fine. I just
But
knocked
not
him
all
out.
Again with your stupid little hero speeches. When are you gonna realize that your actions have come? Where are you going?
Yep, going over here. Anyways, continue.
You and your stupid little heroes, your stupid little nonchalant attitude. You don't realize your actions condemn everyone else. If it weren't for you could have just taken out Eggman, and people like Starline wouldn't have existed. If people like Starline wouldn't have existed, me nor Kit wouldn't have been made.
Okay.
We could have had normal lives. You. You. What?
Okay, let me say something here. Okay, as I mentioned, I am Sonic, but I think you might have gotten me mixed up with another Sonic. I don't even know who Starline is.
What other Sonic is there?
Well, you forget? I don't know if you know multiverse theory. There are different universes.
What?
You see,
You know what?
I'm from a different universe.
You're just trying to...
Nah, no. I'm not trying to confuse you. Like I said, I don't know who Starline is. This is the first time we've met.
Really?
Yes, I'm being legit serious.
Then why are you here? Why do you just come here of all places? You could have left me and Drippy alone, but no, you Sonics keep messing with everything. Huh.
Okay, well, I can explain. My warp ring ended up taking me to some random location, aka this location.
What's it?
It's this thing here. It allows you to take you to any place that you can think of. No, I didn't think of this location though. I don't even know where here is.
Well, you must know. It's a small part of Central City we decided to tear down. But you know what? Whatever. Forget all this talk. I don't care what Sonic you are. You're Sonic, and I was made to take you out. Hit me with your best shot. Where are ya?
Come on. Again, I'm the fastest thing alive. If you know anything about us Sonics, we're too quick. Especially if we can dodge this.
I say when we're done, when you are dead in the ground!
Should be running out of energy any second now. The amount of energy you keep exerting, you're gonna end up dying yourself out. I'd say about 3, 2, 1, now.
You stupid hedgehog. I can still fight.
Yeah, not really worth it. I have a friend who uses a lot of electricity himself. Even he gets tired after using so much. You let all that rage control you to the point where you don't even pay attention to how much energy you keep using.
I can still...
Come on, let's get you over to these rocks. Come on. honestly, you gotta learn how to control your anger. You're gonna end up getting yourself hurt. Or your friend there. Especially with the amount of electricity you disperse. And considering he uses water, he puts himself at risk. Here. I got some extra warp rings. Probably you should try to get somewhere, I don't know, do some traveling or something. Learn that things aren't always solved with violence. Anyways, later, Surge. Hopefully your friend is okay. He should be up by now. Later. Jeez. Hmm? What the? Yo!
Dang it.
Hello?
Crap, I fell. Crap, dang it.
I'll redo that. I'll redo that.
Okay.
I'm dead.